Hi, my name is David. Today I'm going to discuss with you whether you should open your Amazon store as an individual store or as a professional store. And before we get into the detailed discussion, I would like to remind you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my videos. Every single item you sell in Amazon, Amazon is going to charge a per item fee, and that is 99 cents. Now, this 99 cents per item fee is waived for the professional store owners. So if you sell 40 items in Amazon per month, you are even. Okay, you save $40 from per item fee, and you pay $40 to the professional for the professional store monthly fee. You are even. However, if you sell more than 40 items per month, then your saving from the per item fee is going to be greater than the store's monthly fee. Now, in my own case, I have been selling about 4,000 items per month on Amazon. So by paying a $39.99 or per month fee to be a professional store owner, I saved $4,000 a month for the per item fee. Okay, that's the first reason. Now the second reason that you should own a professional store is that when you have products on Amazon, you can do advertisements for your products. The individual store owners cannot do advertisement, but the professional store owners can. Of course, there's a fee associated with the advertisement. Not being able to promote your product through advertisements is going to slow down your sale because the customers might not be able to see you. So by being a professional store owner, you will be able to advertise on Amazon, and you will be able to make your product more visible to the customers. And it's very likely that your products are going to sell faster. So if you, let's say, you sign up with an individual store and you cannot do advertisement and you are not selling, okay, nobody's buying your product. How do you know whether your product is not good? Or the customer cannot even find your product, right? And because you think that your product is not good, you might end up closing down your business, right? And that's not a good situation, right? And that's the second point. And the third point is that if you open a store in the United States, you can actually sell your products in the entire North America. That includes US, Mexico, and Canada. 3 markets, okay? And no additional fee. However, once again, you need to be a professional store owner. I hope I can make to you, and I hope my point makes sense to you. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Until next time.